Right, this is my algae pond. My algae pond. Alright. It's going from everywhere, all around, through into the little pipe. Into it. And it goes in there. There's loads of stuff in there, like a bit of grass. Got little tubers in there, and then that's simple circulation. But in here, this is where it's getting collected. Alright, and we're talking about algae. Algae, the green stuff you find in ponds and stuff. Yeah, I'll show you. Turn it off. I made all this. This is stuck to it. Alright, so we've got. This is just diet filter, but it's all getting collected in its air. It's all green. It's all thick and green. Right. Show you it. Alright, this stuff here, and you squeeze it out. Yeah, that green stuff. And it gets thicker and thicker. There it is. Right, I just found out, like, if you just add sugar to it, right, it actually creates other molecules, which could create fuel. But yeah. Alright, and this is a condenser. What it does is it's like it turns on and it will like start collecting water and stuff and putting in here. I'm just gonna put a little lip just there. You know, so the water can just drop into there. So yeah, so this is like continuous water, evaporated obviously, but rainwater is good, everything's good, it's all perfectly good. Just got to thicken it up. Actually it's how clad this is, so we'll put it back on. So that's just like a simple filter. It's all a bit water inside there. It's pretty green in there as well, but it's collecting all the lumps and stuff. Alright, hopefully that's alright. There's a beaker. I use the balloon as a seal as well. Like that, and then because I've ruffled it all up, it's all gone a different colour. Obviously it's going to be green, but watered down green. All the thick stuff's in there, nice and oily in there. Yeah, we just like to give it a little mix so it just goes in. Put it into there, and it's sucked up as well, and then filters, collects, pumps up, blah 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 blah, and then just the water comes out here. And because it's just continuously growing, algae just grows. Right, so unmaintained gardens has lots of algae ponds and stuff. It's even good for your face, you know. It's amazing. Right. Yeah, so in the future I'll probably be making some fuel, usable fuel, as either a battery or for oil. Probably cook my food in it. Who knows? Let's go for it. Alright, in a bit.